Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here in the corner and select watermark. So now you can use watermarks, so like you have different watermarks like this timestamp watermark. So like you can hold your finger on this watermark and move it. You can zoom in or zoom out this watermark. And you can also switch watermarks by just swiping it left or right. So as you can see, I have this kind of watermark. I have I'm here Monday. Oh my god. Happy watermark. I wait for you. I am disappointed. I miss you. You and me. I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. I miss you. Just hearts. And like something like that. Okay. Unfortunately, you can't customize any of this watermark. You can only change its size and like select one of these 15 watermarks. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.